Buying your first home might seem a little overwhelming, but let me break it down real simple for you. So first of all, why do you care if I help you, right? Who am I? Well, my name is Braden Hatch, and I've been doing mortgage loans for over 11 years now, and I've helped every single type of client you can think of. People with no money, people with bad credit, people that didn't have any income reported on their tax returns. No matter your excuse, I can find a solution for you. I'm gonna break it down in 4 simple steps. This is how easy it is to buy a house. It really is this simple, and I'm keeping these brief on purpose because I've got other videos that dive into the details. But number 1, know your numbers. Do you know what your credit score is? If not, figure out what your credit score is. How much money can you spend out of pocket? What is your total budget? How much can you spend monthly? What does that budget look like? And really think about those numbers. If you need a little help with any of these, I recommend just diving into your bank statements. Find out where your money's going, how much of it left, how much could you save, and is there any cushion there? That's your step 1. Step 2, get pre-qualified. That's easy. There's a link right here on the description of this video. If you click it, you can get pre-qualified. It's that simple. Pre-qualification is literally just taking the application for the loan. So once you have that going, that's when a lender like me can look at it and let you know what your actual options are and get you a budget so you know your price. Because number 3 is gonna be really important. Step 3, now that you know your price and you're pre-qualified, you need to find a house. You need to start shopping. I strongly recommend you use a real estate agent. In most cases, it shouldn't cost you anything to use a real estate agent. I'm gonna put that in like asterisks or something because there's a bunch of NAR changes out there now and I don't know the rules. But if you need a real estate agent, I strongly recommend you work with one. If you want a good one, I can recommend someone to you that I know has helped many of my clients in the past. I work with several really good real estate agents because I refuse to work with the shitty ones. So you have your numbers, you know your budget, you're home shopping, and then that's where you want to make a list of your priorities, things that are important to you. Go through the drive, start looking at homes. The home shopping process can be a little frustrating depending on your budget, especially if you're buying something that maybe is under the budget than you thought you might have, right? You know, everybody's got that champagne taste with the beer budget. That first house, I promise you, you just got to get into that first house, and we'll let equity work its magic and do the rest. So that's the fun part. Stay on budget, know your numbers, work with your real estate agent to find the houses that are available for sale in your area and start looking for them. And step 4, make an offer. Once you find a house you like, make an offer. And here's something that I think my team does a little bit different. I have no idea because I've never talked to any other mortgage lenders other than me and my team. Once we have you pre-qualified, you're out shopping for a house, you find one you really like. What you're gonna do, and if it's a real estate agent that I work with, they're gonna do this already, they're gonna send me that address. They're gonna say, okay, Braden, what are the numbers? Look at that house, figure out how much we can offer, how much we should ask for in seller paid closing costs if we need them, and then that way we know exactly what your monthly payment is, what your out of pocket is gonna be before you even go in and make that offer. So if they come back and they say, well, no, we'll give you this and this, when they do back and forth, I'm involved in that entire process so that we know the numbers up front so that there's no surprises by the time you have an accepted contract and you know it's something you cannot afford. We're always gonna check those numbers prior so you know exactly what to do. So that's it. Know your numbers, get pre-qualified, start shopping for a home, make an offer, and make homeownership real. It's that simple, guys. To get started, there's a link within the description of this video, which will take you to my website. You can schedule an appointment with me, 10 to 15 minutes, ask those questions. We'll go through the exercise that I go through with all of my potential home buyers, and I'd be happy to help make it a reality for you in 2025. You got this.